What if the Ice Age suddenly returned to Earth? Not slowly, not politely, not with climate scientists nervously clearing their throats. No, imagine you wake up one morning, look out the window, and think, that's strange. I don't remember ordering a glacier for my street. Snow is piled higher than your neighbor's Wi-Fi expectations. The air feels like it's trying to bite your nose off. And your car? Forget it. It's now a perfectly preserved archaeological artifact.
At first, it's chaos. People run outside in t-shirts like it's a normal Tuesday, instantly regretting every life decision as the temperature drops to levels normally reserved for deep-freezing dinosaur steaks. But the cold keeps worsening. Weather apps start panicking, satellites glitch from the sudden atmospheric changes, and the world's meteorologists collectively scream into their coffee mugs. Within a week, oceans begin to frost over near the poles. Fog freezes mid-air, creating floating, ghost-like shapes that look suspiciously like stickmen trying to reenact the last warm summer.
Cities begin transforming. Highways are now icy rivers where abandoned cars form metallic icebergs. Skyscrapers wear giant snow hats. Even deserts, the places that swore snow would never visit, crumble under massive blizzards. The Sahara rolls its eyes and mutters, "Great, now I'm just a giant cold sandbox."
Humanity scrambles for survival. People start building megadome cities, giant heated bubbles where life continues in a weird frozen dystopian sitcom. Inside the domes, everything looks normal, except for the fact that everyone walks around wrapped in 5 layers of clothing looking like marshmallows on legs. Stickman scientists debate whether this is a natural climate cycle, a cosmic accident, or the universe just being dramatic again.
Outside the domes, Earth becomes an icy wilderness. Mammoths, yes, actual mammoths, cloned years earlier for science, escape their research labs and instantly thrive. Wolves grow thicker fur than your grandma's winter carpet. Giant glaciers crawl south like slow, frosty bulldozers, reshaping continents. Coastlines shrink, forests disappear. The world turns white, silent, ancient.
But humans being humans, we adapt faster than expected. Engineers design gigantic geothermal towers that pull heat from deep underground. Farmers move agriculture into underground caverns, illuminated by artificial suns. Countries collaborate on global heat pipelines, enormous metal veins pumping warmth across continents to keep essential zones habitable.
Social media, of course, has a meltdown. Ice Age memes dominate every platform. Point of view, you're late to work because a glacier ate your city, when the Ice Age returns but you still have to pay rent, and Mammoth Crossing, slow down. Someone inevitably starts a trend called frozen parkour, which lasts exactly 3 hours before being banned for obvious reasons.
But something unexpected happens. The return of the Ice Age forces humanity to slow down. Borders fade, trade routes shift, and nations begin cooperating simply to survive. Pollution drops dramatically as factories freeze and fossil fuels become impossible to extract. The night sky clears so beautifully that millions see the Milky Way for the first time in their lives. And with the cold comes an eerie, breathtaking silence, the kind where even the wind whispers. Yet the biggest twist arrives when scientists discover the cause. A sudden weakening of ocean currents combined with volcanic aerosols and a chain reaction of atmospheric cooling. A perfect storm. A planetary plot twist. Rewrite the climate system just once, and Earth remembers its ancient habits.
Years pass. Humanity survives, evolves, and becomes astonishingly innovative. Cities glow under transparent ice domes. New wildlife species emerge. The planet, while frozen, becomes strangely beautiful, like a postcard from a prehistoric world with Wi-Fi.
And then, just as mysteriously as it began, the Ice Age starts to ease. Temperatures inch upward, glaciers retreat, oceans awaken, Earth exhales. The world steps outside the domes, blinking in the pale sunlight, realizing they are living inside a new beginning, a second chance written in snow and survival.
But what forces us to rebuild in ways we never imagined?